H&S Performance Mini Maxx DPF Delete Tuner. Read more description. Fitment. 2007 to 2012 Dodge Ram Cummins Diesel. 2008 to 2016 Ford Powerstroke Diesel. 2007 to 2014 Chevy GMC Duramax Diesel. Power levels. Ford Powerstroke. 2008 to 2010 6.4 liters to 80 horsepower. 160 horsepower. 250 horsepower. 2011 to 2016 6.7 liters to 50 horsepower. 100 horsepower. 150 horsepower. Dodge Cummins. 2007 to 2012 6.7 liters to 60 horsepower. 120 horsepower. 175 horsepower. GM Duramax. 2007 to 2010 LMM, 60 horsepower. 120 horsepower. 175 horsepower. 2011 to 2014 LML, 50 horsepower. 100 horsepower. 150 horsepower. Tuning is preloaded, ready to go. No additional purchase or download is required. The H&S Mini Maxx includes DPF present and DPF remove tuning. Eliminate the following components, if equipped, without setting any diagnostic trouble codes or check engine light. Fuel mileage. Expect to see significant fuel mileage gains. If your DPF is plugged up, you're probably averaging 13 to 14 miles per gallon. More or less depending on the severity of the restriction. After installing H&S Mini Maxx and deleting the DPF/CAT, expect to get a combined mileage of 18 to 19 miles per gallon. Larger tires and poor driving habits will reduce mileage. 2015-2016 Ford, some trucks may set a crankcase ventilation sensor code. This will set a check engine light. The truck will run properly, but you will still have a check engine light and DTC. Order yours today. If you have any questions about our products or our service detail, please feel free to mail us. support@thiefdeleteshops.com. www.thiefdeleteshops.com. Thanks for watching.